this is Astrid with Kanen coffee. So I have this Lelit Bianca that was tripping the breaker. This was because the steam boiler heating element was damaged, so it's causing an electrical short. As you can see here, there's a lot of mineral buildup on this heating element, and that's what caused the damage. So I also gave this machine a tune-up, which means I descaled both of the boilers to remove all those excess minerals, and I replaced the screen and gasket. I actually put a silicone gasket in here, which lasts a bit longer than these kind. I back flushed the group head to remove any excess coffee residue, deep cleaned the steam wand, and wiped down the whole machine. In addition to that, I replaced the vacuum valve. As you can see here, there's that it was leaking quite a bit. And then I'm just using the portafilter and the drip tray from our own machine here in the shop because this machine came in with no tray or portafilter. So I'll just pull a shot here. And this is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine, which is why you might see it running a little slower than normal. There we have nice crema. And I'll show you the steam. Nice strong steam and the hot water. Okay. That's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.